Updating your email address on Zomato is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Open the Zomato app or website. Launch the Zomato app on your mobile device or visit the Zomato website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your profile. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the account icon. This is usually located in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to Account Settings. In your profile, look for the Settings or Account Settings option. Click on it to access your account details. Step 4. Edit email address. Find the section labeled Email or Contact Information. Click on the edit icon next to your current email address to change it. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email to verify the new address, so check your inbox. Once you've completed these steps, your email address on Zomato will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zomato's customer support for assistance.